Bitcoin is rejecting resistance and dropping towards $60,000. Now, this is a move we've been waiting for through this whole week. And as this plays out and we begin to retest $60,000 this weekend, it is vitally important that you know how to predict whether we're going to crash below this level or bounce back to the upside. In this video, I'm going to show you the tools that we use to do this with insane accuracy, how you can do the same, and from there, if the price does crash, how you can use other indicators to find the most likely market cycle bottom. Crucial data incoming, so stay tuned. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. In our membership, we just posted a brand new future forecast, bracing for impact or loading up for prophetic summer pump. We're going to give you updates on our Bitcoin short trade through SBIT, historical price performance in Bitcoin based on past FOMC meetings, why we're looking to take profit this summer, how summer solstice has called past Bitcoin pumps, and many more data points. This is crucial for your trades, and if you haven't seen it yet, be sure to sign up for our membership at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. Real quick, we're going to bring in the volume bubbles too. And what I want you to notice is that when red volume bubbles appear, this is where the market is dropping back to the downside. And if we test structure support at $60,000 and a red volume bubble posts again, especially one of the larger ones, this tells us a huge amount of sell volume is pushing into the market, and we are likely to see a crash below support at that point. This is the tool we're using in order to predict that crash. We saw it up here from the bear flag. We saw it up here from a previous bear flag, and we are seeing it here from a crash below 65,000. Again, little tiny bubbles as we reject 68,000. With that in mind, we're actually going to set some alerts. I want to make sure you don't miss this if it happens. Switch this to the volume bubbles, looking for a large sell volume. Once per bar close, click create. This is going to let you know every time a red bubble appears on your chart. And when it does, you need to be ready for further drops, especially at the $60,000 level. From there, if that happens and we crash below $60,000, this is likely to get very close, if not actually hit, the full-on market cycle bottom. As that happens, in order to find an entry at that level, we want to see either fear or max fear at the same time as a green dot from the Pro Trade Manager. When this happens, it means a local bottom, indicated by a green dot, has been found when retailers are feeling the absolute most fearful they will in the market cycle. They're going to sell out and drop the price further. Whales know this and are going to buy at that point, taking advantage of retail traders selling liquidity, enabling them to buy at discount prices. That's why fear and max fear is so important. That's why the green dot is so important. And you can see from here, we got fear, we got a green dot, and that was the exact bottom before a 716% bull market. Back in 2018, fear, green dot, 2,105% move up for the next bull market. This is exactly why we are looking for the same exact sentiment. I think we could even crash down to $52,000 before we see fear or max fear appear with a green dot at the same time. But regardless of when it happens, you need to be ready, and that's why we're setting alerts for these two. Create alert. Market cycle highs and lows, fear, once per bar close, and click create. Next alert, market cycle highs and lows, max fear, once per bar close, and click create. Last alert, Pro Trade Manager, long entry short take profit, once per bar close, and click create. Fear and max fear will let you know when fear or max fear has appeared on your chart. Long entry short take profit lets you know a green dot has appeared. If you get both of these at the same time, either fear or max fear with a long entry short take profit, you've just found a local bottom within the market cycle bottom zone. And this could be the best point to enter before the next bull market. Maximize your profit with these indicators, predict the crash with the volume bubbles. All of this and more is available for massive discounts to our members up on the indicators tab. You're going to head into the description down below. The second link is going to be a membership sign up link, and we're giving you 25% off your first month there. Less than $50 to sign up. In the indicators tab up here, what I want you to do is scroll straight down to the Pro Trade Manager, reveal the membership coupon code here. That's $150 off each. The Pro Trade Manager, the market cycle highs and lows, and the volume bubbles. Once you have it written down, check out on Gumroad. I want this. Scroll down to this suggestions, market cycle highs and lows, add to cart, volume bubbles, add that to cart. Throw in your membership code for a total $450 off. Throw in your information here, click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for that brand new future forecast episode. Don't miss out.